Peacocks are in full bloom this spring, and so is Lagoon. Join us as we explore what's closed, what's open, and what's new, including a mysterious helmet installation, a fountain makeover at the park entrance, and we finally get access to the exclusive clubs above Carousel Candy and Peacock Parlor.
Very busy.
Wow.
So let's go check today what's new here, and we think something is open. Fixing something.
What are they doing?
Cleaning. I don't know. Wow.
Yeah, but if you look,
The different
I think
holes.
they've totally redone it, and
There
look
was
at all.
lights before.
Yeah, but look at all of this.
They have numbers on this for the color.
For
and I
color.
can see peacocks.
Yep,
waves.
it's going to be Peacock.
Now look at this. The painting.
I didn't see anyone yet.
Ceiling. So I think that one will be closed for a little bit.
I was like, what is going on there? That's interesting.
But we'll go check when this one is open, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh look, they took trees down here, Emma. There was big trees, guys, right here, covered all the way up to there. So they took all of them down. It's sad.
That is sad.
There you
Oh,
go.
man.
And you can see.
See, do you remember? It used to be like that.
Yep.
And the trees were all here.
Yeah, I wonder what it
Wow. And the benches that were out front are also taken. That
Oh, yeah,
ride's going to
they-
take up that much of a footprint. That's why. There's a dance competition on here at Lagoon, which means the park is packed. Besides that, it's a beautiful day. They're opening a new thing here. You'll see that later.
is. Do you think this one is open?
They are. I saw them going.
Are you guys open?
Let's
Okay.
go. Oh, that was.
Oh, yes.
Thanks.
You guys have to get there?
Yeah, we will. Thank you. There are 2 extra tires, so the ride runs smoother and quieter.
And we're going to check that.
Let's see. Nice.
Wow, it's much faster, Emma. Wow, this ride now, it's true. It's quieter, it's smooth, it starts much faster. I don't know, but I
Well-
think they improve it.
I like it. Or even so high we look down on the sky ride. You can see everything from up here. I love it.
Look at the parking lot, Em. It's already get filled.
Wow.
Have a great one, guys.
Yeah, have a good one.
Have a nice one. Our first ride for today at Lagoon.
Yeah. I like that ride. I think. Well, you can put it like
Go.
inside. Oh, have
What
kids
a-
been has to be empty and attached.
We are on a ride. You need to have your backpack up front of you. The other things also.
If you have a cup with you, it has to be no liquids in it. So make sure you drink it up before you come on.
Yeah, almost all rides is up now.
I think so.
Yeah, it's
Except
fixed.
for the water park. But
Well,
that will
water
be
park,
next
it's a
week, I
last
think.
week of May, I think it's opening. So tidal wave working. I see people going in a tidal wave there.
Turn of the century.
Yeah, center. That one is working. Train won't work probably till next year.
Wow. I'm so glad that they put fountains back in this.
Crematorium. I think Amy wants to go on that ride. You ride twice and it says, I'm done. You know how many times I ride? Zero. I'm chicken.
You could pay me $1,000 to go on it again, though.
The problem is if I pay Amy $1,000, it's still coming from one pocket and in exactly same pocket again. So,
But somebody
yes,
else.
Emma, I'll
If
pay
somebody-
$1,000.
If somebody else wants to pay me $1,000, I'll go on it again.
I can pay you $1,000. You do have a campground for the tent or for your campers. And if you look right there, see, they already have it all full. All the campers
I
already
think there's
fill
more
out.
on the
Yeah,
other
probably, but what do
side.
we see right here? And it's kind of nice because you can buy pass and go on Lagoon. Yeah, the Colossus is still closing. I wonder, it was closed for some time.
Look, there's a crane in it.
Oh, I see the crane, you're right.
So the cranes are not inside the ride, they're there.
It's a platform for the people to go up.
Platform. I'm sure in the middle of the week they go high up. So many people.
Excuse me. It's a good time to get and refill our drink.
Oh yeah, let's go do that.
In Lagoon, I think this is the best value if you're coming, we have it passes, because it is cost about like $60, $70, $60.
70 now.
Yeah, but it is unlimited refills all season long. So if you're going for some time, it does worth it. Okay, let's go in a Pioneer Village. There's a female.
Hello.
There's a guy.
Hello, pretty.
Beautiful for the photo, Emily.
You're showing off.
District is actually quite a bit slow, if you can see. No lines here, Emma. So if you want, you go to the district.
Very few lines, yeah. You know why I like that ride right there?
Which one?
Time
This one?
Tinker.
Time Tinker?
I just love the
gears.
look of it. Love that you're going around and like some up, some down. I just like the whole tinker you feel of it.
Look, on this one, nobody almost
Well, everybody's
up there.
trying their hand at the Nutcracker and then
The new
Cannibal
one.
and Primordial.
Yeah.
And a large part of the crowd is sitting down with the dance competition.
Oh, yes, we'll be starting more. You know what they added here, Emma?
Oh my heck, look at that.
I noticed that addition of the helmet.
A
Small
giant
things.
mech.
I love it. Oh
What
man,
a nice detail.
This is cool, actually.
Very cool.
In some cases, it reminds me like Ant-Man can be on a
Yeah.
steampunk.
Steampunk
Oh,
Ant-Man.
I like that one. Is cool. I like that a lot. Nobody on a rapid
It is
ridge.
very cold. It is very cold to get. It's not closed.
It's not cold.
I guess we could go,
Woo! Look on that.
but you'll get wet. And it's too cold for that still.
But no waterfall.
Yeah, of course. We know the waterfall turns on at 70 degrees.
Quite
But
a
see,
nice drive.
there's still water in there.
A little bit. But I see some other addition, Emma. If you remember in our previous video, we mentioned that is washing out of the rocks was gone.
Yes.
And it says
Oh,
they're
it's
going
better.
to update.
They said
So-
they were doing a better one.
Yeah, let's see what they have. So you can purchase sand in here. I don't know when they will do it, maybe over this weekend.
Oh, they
Wow,
made
you can
it
buy
so
20
much
pounds
cooler.
for $61, Emma.
Huh?
20 pounds you can buy for, and you can wash. Ooh, I like this. And they also have it for little kids, Emma. Sand, so the kids can go right here
And
and
kneel
wash it.
down and
Yep. And get
that's
like.
cool.
And here's what you can get inside of this.
Ooh, opal.
So topaz, all of this, and some fossil. This is a big selection of the stuff you can get it. And I do like, I think from small things that I was worried they get rid of, they actually
They
even
made it
make
so much better.
better and bigger. In the next video, you'll probably see us try to drag around 20 pounds.
20 pounds.
Of the rocks.
Wow. You know what I want to do already though? I want to make like necklaces out of it or something.
Well, but the big rocks, so you can tumble them and create it, you know, smooth.
Keychains or this, you can wire wrap them.
Dance competition. So on the stages, they're preparing for a lot of competitions. We'll go there. Bat is working.
Look at that. Plenty of line there.
Well, and this bath also close to the dance, so people will just come here.
Right. I've gone here. I just
Okay.
think it's
well,
cool.
how about I'll see you after because I want to run see if the Bambura is open.
Okay, I'll meet you there.
I think that all rides almost working. It just only we start. The Colossus was closed and Colossus closed. Seems like they're adjusting some stuff, maybe brakes or accelerations. We'll see. There's Amy.
We found the coolest merch here. They are always coming up with little new things, right?
And it is Lagoon specific merch.
Yes.
Let's see what they have.
Look at that. Okay. I can't wait to show you this. It's a cup.
It's metal.
It's double-sided metal cup with
God, I love this.
you can get it in black and blue. Why don't they have red?
They have
need
brown.
red. You can get it as a Stanley, as a
Oh,
bigger
the
one.
Stanley also.
Oh.
Oh, that one is cool.
So
I do like
this
that.
also goes. The hat is awesome, but look.
I love this one.
Oh
They
my-
have it also black on these colors. I like it. How much they are? This one is $40.
40. Okay.
And this one is 35.
35.
So
For the kind of thing there, double walled, and let's see what it is. It's a specific like
it's a brand.
brand. But I love it.
And below they have it more like at roller coasters. It's more lagoon stuff, I think.
See, now this
Yep.
would fit in that.
Yeah, look, it's Memorial.
This is a nice looking one.
Ooh, this is kind of goldish paint. Yeah.
Yeah, with all the triangles and all the different rides, that's a nice one. Not double walled, but just your basic good water flask. We've waited for over a year to go into the Atrium, and finally it's open, and we're gonna go in and check it out.
It is a little bit different from your usual. The real different is it's have a cover charge.
So just to go in there, $10 for one person, $15 for two. All right, thank you.
Thanks.
Thanks, we
try.
will.
Let's go check this one first. Ooh, beautiful.
Oh.
Ooh, it's quiet.
Do you hear?
Nice music. Yep.
It's like it's speakeasy or something.
Well, I like seats.
Ooh.
Nice, soft. No table service, so you need to go. There you go, Em. Okay, I can sit down here and relax. So this is more darker, calm type lights.
Can we really?
And I was interested to ask about the mocktails. See? And we can go check another one as well.
Yes.
So this is one, it's a little bit kind of darker. It's called
It's called the Carousel Club,
Carousel
and so
Club.
it does
Okay.
have that feel of an old club,
And this
like a
one
private club.
is
The flirty birdie.
Bird. It's a more in a Peacock. Ooh, I like this one as well. It's a little bit uplifted.
Here's a question.
How's it going, guys?
Hi.
Excellent.
Good. How are you?
Do you know if the balcony will be open or no?
I believe it goes two doors.
Okay,
You can go out
awesome.
Okay.
Thank you.
of the side door.
Just not the side door. Let's see.
Yeah, this is brighter, more peacock kind of. There
We
you go.
can. Look at
The
this.
balconies. Yeah, they do have it closing key.
Oh, look. Oh, wow.
Nice.
I love this.
Then we're on the balcony, and you can
On
wave
the
now to the people.
balcony.
I think right there they also have it, right there balcony.
Yeah, she said not on the side. So this is where we can go to. I knew that people had to be able to come in here.
It will be nice one table here. You can sit down.
That would be, yeah, that would be very cool.
Well, let's go order. Do we
I
order this side or other side?
I don't know where we
This
want.
is
Which side.
modern, and they have this peacock right there. Look.
I love that.
If you need to get into something else,
Two totally different. Oh my goodness, that is cool. They have some nice decor in here.
So let's go get some.
All right.
I think maybe go sit in another. The seats look a little bit softer to me. Am I wrong?
I think those are just the soft
We'll see.
high. Oh, we have a good view of what they're doing.
Yep. We can view fountain.
So we have these. These are the cucumber mint smash mocktails, and this is the kind of drink we like to have. The atmosphere in here is fantastic. It feels kind of like it's a speakeasy maybe? I don't know. It's from the 1920s era.
Like a club.
I feel maybe the 30s. And that is fresh mint. That is not a mint syrup, hun.
Same.
What do you think?
Cucumber, mint. Very nice, very refreshing. I like this a lot.
They were so kind to us today to give us this special pin. We love Lagoon so much, and so the fact that they gave us this pin just makes us feel like, I don't know, we're part of the family here. Look at this, how it's fired up. Ooh, I love the crust on it. Because this has the fig, and it has the meat in it. It's warm and gooey. So I might,
Okay.
Nice sauce. Oh my god. I did not know I could come to an amusement park to get such a good pizza.
Honey, lovely combination. Very nice crust, done very, very good. All the way done. Have a little bit spice, just a little bit enough on the sauce to make it perfect. This is not your theme park food.
No, this is not typical thing.
Yeah, it's a date type food. So it's actually good, yeah. Come right here,
Great
on a
for a
date.
date.
Fine. Yeah, there you go. Sit down and have a nice date time.
We went up the stairs, but there is elevator access up here if you need that. Look at it.
Let's go outside. Hey, there you go. And this is what new and Lagoon. Thank you very much for watching this video.
Be sure to come back for more of our adventures. We go to places everywhere and keep up with this Lagoon thing.